belly is yearning. Lord, the cupboard is looking like a mountain to climb. Rhythm in the head, hunger in the soul. Listen. The clock strikes 12, the smoke is thick and sweet. I'm sinking in the sofa, but I need a bite to eat. My eyes are heavy red, like a sunset in the west. But the rumble in my stomach put my spirit to the test. I rise up like a lion, though my legs are feeling weak. It's the legendary bounty of the pantry that I seek. I float into the kitchen, I'm drifting on a cloud. My appetite is screaming and it's screaming mighty loud. Oh, the munchies, they are calling, calling in the night. We're gonna cook a masterpiece beneath the oven light. Sweet and salty, spicy too, everything we find. Mixing up the flavors for a peaceful state of mind. Stoner munchies, yeah, the holy grail of taste. Not a single crumb, no, nothing goes to waste. I open up the fridge, it's glowing like a star. I see a jar of pickles and some leftover tartar. I find a block of cheddar and a lonely slice of ham. I'm looking for the peanut butter, looking for the jam. Now the vision comes together like a prophecy of old. I'm putting chocolate syrup on a taco, so I'm told. Don't judge the combination, don't question the design. When the herb is in your system, every flavor is divine. Toast the bread until it's brown, spread the goodness all around. Crunchy, munchy, loud and proud, eating till we're in the shroud of a food coma so deep and wide. With a liter of some ginger ale right by my side. I find a bag of chips hidden deep within the shelf. I had to play a game of hide and seek with my own self. Barbecue and vinegar, I mix them in a bowl. The zesty little tingles start to satisfy my soul. Then I see the cereal, the rainbow colored rings. I pour a gallon of the milk, the joy that it brings. I'm sitting on the floor, now the tiles feeling cold. But the feast that's laid before me is better than some gold. Wait, I found some frozen pizza hidden in the back. It's the final piece I needed for this midnight snack. I don't wait for the oven, no, the microwave will do. In 90 seconds flat, the cheese is bubbling through. I top it with some popcorn and a drizzle of hot sauce. I'm the captain of the kitchen, I'm the culinary boss. My fingers getting sticky and my face is full of crumbs. Beating on the tabletop like I'm playing on the drums. Still burning low. Time to drift back to the sofa. Maybe just one more cookie. Yeah, one more. Sweet, sweet meditation. And a bag of marshmallows.